Good evening everyone. We are going to learn about SAP BTP. Before going to learn about SAP BTP, we should know about the what is cloud computing. And we are given one statement about the what is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of on-demand IT resources over the internet. Means what is IT resource you required for you doing the IT management like programming, resources or research like this. What is your requirement? That requirement taken from the over the internet. For example, we get the services in world Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform means GCP. These are major cloud providers. Also Alibaba Cloud, IBM Cloud and Oracle Cloud. These are the private cloud organizations. They can provide web services. Like I can show you what is the services they can provide. Just see, we are going to check about Google Cloud services. They can provide virtual machines and manage environments, cloud storage, big queries like this they can provide. We can use and we can create cloud computers from there. Okay, if you are create your GCP account, you can utilize log in your GCP account and utilize resources. You can activate your servers. They provide something what your requirement systems. For example, we requirement of one server is there for resource purpose. We can configure how much database, RAM, how much processor we require. We can configure and we utilize the servers on based on charges. If we require, for example, we require 10 days. This project will be used for 10 days. So we don't even want to purchase a system, purchase a server. Directly we go to whatever they provide services like AWS, Microsoft Azure, GCP or Alibaba Cloud, IBM Cloud, Oracle, like etc etc etc. Who's those provide the services? Just we go through and create one account and log in your very available of your systems like tabs and laptops, TV. Nowadays we can direct go to log into TV also. So log in with that account and do the work, complete your project and submit it. We can take the printouts from there also. So that is a cloud account. And cloud computing means cloud computing is the delivery of on demands. What is on demand IT resources over the internet? By using internet we get all what is the requirement from the internet. We can complete taken from the internet. By using the internet we are going to, so we are going to taken from resources AWS, Azure, GCP. They can provide the cloud services that can provide major cloud services AWS, Azure and GCP. This is provide major cloud services from the internet. So we can utilize the services, and where we are utilize the services we can pay as you go, and we can pay as you go by utilizing the services. We internet by using the internet. Without internet we can't do cloud computing. By using the internet means by using the internet we can do cloud computing. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.